Pumping sets play a crucial role in various industries such as drinking water supply, wastewater management, agriculture, electricity generation, mining, desalination plants, oil and gasoline, marine operations, and air conditioning, among others. According to research, the initial installation cost of a pumping station is just 10 to 15% of its total life cycle cost. The remaining 85 to 90% of the cost is typically comprised of energy costs, which account for about 40 to 50% of life cycle costs, and the balance is operational and maintenance costs. Ironically, the significant 85 to 90% life cycle cost remains unnoticed due to the lack of real-time and historical data. Pump Academy was established with a focus on transforming inefficient water pumping stations into smart and efficient pumping stations using the technologically advanced, innovative, and comprehensive end-to-end solution iPUMPNET. IoT-based, AI-driven, smart and integrated solution for pumping station optimization. iPUMPNET consists of 4 components: high-precision IoT sensors, hardware with embedded analytics, secure bidirectional communication, and a cloud platform for independent mobile apps. iPUMPNET is a secure and centralized platform that monitors pumping station operations in real time via web and mobile applications. Here, our iPUMPNET converts the dynamic performance of machines into running parameters by linking electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic factors. These real-time pump health data collected from the sensors are sent to iPUMPNET cloud infrastructure in real time, which uses AI and historical data to streamline workflows by giving alerts to detect potential pump failures. Benefits of iPUMPNET. iPUMPNET can improve pumping station operational efficiency by 5 to 35%, reduce energy charges by 5 to 40%, extend the life of pumping stations by up to 50%, reduce the life cycle cost of pumping stations by 15 to 45%, virtually eliminates unscheduled breakdowns, provides real-time performance and operational information on pump sets. In most cases, there is a return on investment within a year. The use of iPUMPNET in pumping stations will result in a considerable reduction in carbon footprints. It is estimated that at least 5 gigawatts of energy can be saved if iPUMPNET is put into use in all pumping stations across India. 1 megawatt reduction in energy consumption can save approximately 612 tons of carbon dioxide per month, which is equivalent to planting 21,500 trees per month, thereby decreasing carbon footprints and creating a sustainable environment.